Want to turn your regular photos into stunning Ghibli-style artwork? You can do it easily and for free. This video will walk you through the process step by step, plus a trick to avoid any limits. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Play Store or App Store and log in. Once inside, tap on the image icon in the bottom left corner. You'll see options to either upload a photo from your gallery or take a new one with your camera. Choose the image you want to transform. Now look for the text input box where you can describe the kind of image you want. Type this prompt. Turn this image into a Ghibli-style artwork with soft colors and detailed animation. After sending the prompt, ChatGPT will process your request and generate your Ghibli-inspired AI artwork in just a few seconds. If the result isn't perfect, you can tweak the prompt or regenerate the image for a better version. If you run into a generation limit, try using a different account or waiting for the reset. Now you can create beautiful AI-generated art anytime. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips. See you in the next one.